Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to connect Stripe to Base44 in a simple and easy way. First, log into your Base44 dashboard and open the project where you want to enable payments. Once you're inside, go to the Integrations or Settings section and look for the Payments option. Here, you should see Stripe listed as a payment provider. Now click on Connect Stripe and you'll be redirected to the Stripe login page. Sign in to your Stripe account or create one if you don't have it yet. After logging in, you'll be asked to authorize the connection between Stripe and Base44, so review the permissions and confirm. Once connected, you'll be redirected back to Base44, where Stripe will now show as active. Finally, test the integration by making a small transaction to ensure everything is working properly before going live. Subscribe the channel for more videos.